how to change dollars to rands on Shein app. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can change dollars to rands on the Shein app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change dollars to rands on the Shein app, then all you have to do is, you're talking about changing a currency, right? Because rands basically belongs to the South Africa, while the dollars belongs to USD, CAD, AUD, or which country's dollars you're really talking about. Now if you want to change the rands, then you have to change the country. So if you want to change the currency, you have to change the country, and there are only limited number of countries and currencies available. So to do this, all you have to do is first of all open up your Shein application here. Once you launch the Shein app, come to the me icon from the bottom right, then tap the gear icon from the top right hand side. Here you'll find a section where it says currency. Just tap on it, and now you can see it's currently set to USD. So because I actually set it to United States over here, so because my location is set to United States, it's changing it to USD over here. But if I select South Africa over here, now let's say I'm just going to select South Africa, it's going to ask me to log in back again, right? So I'm going to log out of this, and then I'm just going to log in back again to my Shein account. Once I've selected South Africa, now if I just come to the me icon, tap the gear icon, now tap on currency, it's set to ZAR, but I can set it to send me others that I want. This is simply how I can go ahead and change my dollars to rands on the Shein app. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.